How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get this new and updated dynamic island on your Android phone. Not only it works exactly like an iPhone, but it also has some additional features when compared to my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Guys, we will be checking out all the features and I will show you how to install this amazing app on your Android phone. So stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Before I move on, a quick word from today's video sponsor, Tenorshare for You key for Android. There are times when you have to unlock your phone but you don't remember the password because somebody has changed it or you just forgotten the password that you have set up. In such situations, you can make use of this amazing software called Tenorshare for You key for Android. Just download and install it from the description. Once done, open the software and then connect your device to your PC. Here you get two different options. Simply select remove screen lock and then again click on remove screen lock. Finally click on start and then tap on yes. It's gonna take some time to process your request and then follow the instructions that is on your screen. Trust me, within few minutes your phone will be unlocked. So the guys over Tenorshare are offering some amazing Black Friday discounts where you can get up to 70% off on your purchase and you can also win Amazon gift cards and more. Definitely check it out from the link in the description below. First, let's talk about this dynamic island. When you receive any notifications or when you play any music on your phone, not only you get this dynamic island feature, but it also has this beautiful LED light blinking around the pill-shaped notch. Apart from this, if I tap on these three dots, I get access to my quick tools. I can access all my favorite applications and contacts as well. Even my iPhone 14 Pro Max doesn't have this feature where I can access all my favorite apps with the help of Dynamic Island. Now let me show you how to install this brand new Dynamic Island on your Android or Samsung device. All you have to do is head over to the Play Store and search for an app called Dynamic Island iOS 16. You will get a lot of similar applications on the Play Store. So what I'm gonna do is I will drop a direct link in the description below. Once you installed, simply open the app and allow all the required permissions. First thing you need to do is, you need to turn on this option called Dynamic Island Notifications. Next, if you want to get access to the quick settings and all your favorite applications, then you can enable Smart Menu. You can change the camera position. Let's say your device comes with a punch hole on the left side, then you can change it to the left or right as per your requirement. You can also adjust the camera width and height. And the best part is you can activate a very cool LED light blinking around the punch hole. Once you are done with all these settings, you can now select all your favorite applications that will appear in the Smart Menu. I will select apps like YouTube, Instagram and Spotify. Now I can easily access all these apps directly from the Smart Menu. You can also add some useful tools and all your favorite contacts as well. So that's how you can set up this application, and I think this Dynamic Island provides some amazing features. All you need to do is just download the application from the description and then follow the steps that I have mentioned in this video. If you still face any issue, then let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you out. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.